Hi fans, I'm going to clamp down on you. I'm the PC Expert Amateur, and we're going to take a look at the Mechrig SY001 clamping mount for both phones and for cameras. Now I got this attachment. I've also got this attachment, and I watched their video about it. It was very interesting to see the different ways they used it. They had it on a motorcycle. They had it on a tripod to add an additional camera using the phone attachment. So you can just take this off, put this one on. Now, while this main part here is all metal, this and the attachment for the phone are not. And this does have a spring-loaded clamp, so that's good. Do be careful though, because these things tend to be fragile. You can adjust the clamp very easily by spinning this around, and then the other way, of course. Do it. And to adjust this side and this side, you need to loosen this red knob here. And that loosens up both of the sides there so that these move freely. Now, the balls do have texturing. I don't know how well you can see that in there, but there is that texturing in there to help the metal of this part here, at least I think it's metal, to grip it well. So let's give it a try with a phone. And as you can see, it fits my finger perfectly. But it doesn't feel good. All right, let's, I'm going to try attaching this to a tripod and see how that works out. All right, so let's just say I wanted it like this, and I put the phone like this, and I can adjust the positioning so that it's at an angle like that. If I wanted it at a different angle, I can loosen it up, and then I can loosen the black knob, and now it's there, and tighten it up, and it's still a little bit wobbly, so not perfect. That black knob doesn't exactly do what it should, which is unfortunate, but yeah, well, that's okay, I guess. And I found out what this is for. So if you have a camera that has the kind of mounting base that resembles this, then you would remove this part and mount the camera and then slide the bolt through and then attach this, tighten it up so that it could hold that kind of a camera too. So like maybe a GoPro or something like that that has that different mounting mechanism. So yeah, it's pretty versatile, allowing two different kinds of camera mounts as well as the phone mount, and allowing for different ways or in different places for it to be mounted using this clamp, which, by the way, the clamp is lined with textured rubber on both sides here to protect your devices from damage. Yeah, I'm not entirely sure that this is actually metal. It's hard to tell. It just feels a little bit too, yeah, it feels a little bit too warm to be metal. I think this is actually plastic, which would be good because then that grip, that texturing on the ball joints here is going to dig in more. But, you know, over time, I guess it'll wear out if you decide to move it when it's tightened up. So always make sure to loosen that up before you turn this somewhere else, just in case this is actually plastic, as I suspect. But yeah, this is really nice. I'm really glad I picked this up. It's going to be quite useful for me when I'm out and about. And if you have any questions, let me know. I'll see if I can answer them for you, okay? Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.
Need to ask for your help. I'm sorry. On December 11th, 2024, Amazon terminated me and used false accusations against me. And on December 17th, I had my left shoulder operated on. I'm getting a lot better. I can do some things with my hand, and my arm, but it's still pretty limited. If you could please help me out by liking, subscribing, sharing, commenting, and turning on notifications for my channels, that would really help. If you want to help me financially and you can afford to, you can go to my Glenn's Fast Reviews and you can do a super thanks as a donation there. If you want to donate on a monthly basis, you can become a member there, and or you can go to patreon.com/GLENNMII. So thank you for that. Also, I'd like to say thank you to bleepingcomputer.com for allowing me to post messages on their forum about my videos. Thank you so much. And don't forget to visit them. They offer a lot of wonderful resources for people who are using computers. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.